Welcome to Part 4, Creating a Reusable Patient Information Template. This tutorial assumes that you have a free or paid Google account, that you have successfully installed PhotoScape version 3.7, and the free photo montage template. If not, please view the Part 1, 2, and 3 of the free orthodontic photo montage tutorials before continuing. All of the links are located in the description below. You will also need an image file of your practice logo, preferably containing your contact information. Step 1. Creating a reusable template on Google Drive. Let's begin by navigating to Google Drive in your browser. Locate, and click on the New button, located towards the top left corner of the page. In the drop-down menu that appears, select the More menu item. And then select Google Drawings, at the top of the flyout menu on the right side. In the new Google Drawings document, let's format the page size, so that our reusable result will always match the exact dimensions of the center panel in the orthodontic photo montage template. Begin by clicking on File in the horizontal menu bar. In the drop-down menu, select Page Setup. In the Page Setup dialog box, click on the drop-down icon and choose Custom from the drop-down menu. Then, in the Custom dialog box, click on the Unit drop-down icon and choose Pixels from the drop-down menu. Now, click on the left dimension box, and enter 1, 0, 4, and 9. Followed by clicking on the right dimension box, and entering 6, 8, and 8. Complete your changes by clicking the blue Apply button. Now we're ready to add your practice logo. Begin by clicking on Insert, in the horizontal menu bar. In the drop-down menu, select Image. And then select, Upload from Computer, at the top of the flyout menu on the right side. In the Open File dialog box, navigate to the folder containing your practice logo. Select your logo image file, and then click on the Open button. Now, let's resize your practice logo, to make room for your patient information. Position your mouse over a corner of the image bounding box. Then left-click, hold, and drag to resize your practice logo. Next, let's center the image on the page. Hover your mouse over the image, and right-click. In the right-click menu, choose Center on Page. And then select, Horizontally, from the flyout menu. We can now add our reusable patient information text box. Begin by clicking on Insert, in the horizontal menu bar. In the drop-down menu, select Text box. Now move your mouse to the lower third of the page. Then left-click, hold, and drag to the right and downward. And release the mouse button. Click in the text box, and type the patient name, followed by the Enter key. Now enter the date the photos were taken, followed by the Enter key. Finally, enter the patient's age. Increase the font size, by clicking on the Font Size drop-down, and selecting 36. Let's also make the patient information stand out, by changing the font style to bold. Next, let's center-align the text in the text box, by clicking the Alignment tool, and choosing the Center Text icon. Lastly, let's center the text box on the page. Hover your mouse over the bounding box of the text box, and right-click. In the right-click menu, choose Center on Page. And then select Horizontally from the Flyout menu. Now we need to give our reusable template a name. A name that you can remember and find easily in Google Drive. Locate and click in the name box. Enter your desired name and tap the Enter key. Congratulations! You have created your reusable template. To learn how to use your new template, please watch Part 5.